Now, before we get access to Gemini, all of us are familiar with using the search bar at the top of our screen where we're able to search our mail, whether that's for specific people that we email with often, colleagues, we're looking for certain documents. But now that Gemini does exist, we actually can also use it to help search our inbox as well. So I'm just going to open up my Gemini chat pane again by going up to that top right, finding the little dancing star icon and opening up Gemini. Now I can ask Gemini things like, I can ask Gemini for specific emails from a certain person. So I can say, show me the email, or show me emails from Ellen, oh my goodness gracious, Wilson in the past 7 days. So I'm going to give it that prompt. I'm going to click enter. Let it load, and then boom. It's going to immediately search and filter my inbox and allow me, these are the 2 emails that I've gotten from Ellen in the past 7 days. That's going to allow me to just quick access. So it is a little bit more helpful than our search. Like, yes, our search is great and dynamic, but if you're looking for something very specific, something within the past 7 days, now instead of having to go through, find conversations to and from, find specific time, having to go through all of those filters, which can be very time consuming, we now can just ask Gemini, hey, show me these emails from this person in this time frame, and it'll quickly filter your inbox for you. So our search is still great. Google search is at the top of our mail is still great, but using Gemini is, again, just this ultimate time saver that really allows us to search and filter a lot faster than we used to be able to.